In this video, you'll learn how to use the Adalo App Builder in just a few minutes, so you can start creating powerful mobile and web apps without writing any code. First, go to adalo.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click Create New App and choose your app type mobile, web, or both. Then pick a template or start from a blank canvas for full creative freedom. Next, explore the visual editor. On the left, you'll find the Screens panel, in the middle, your canvas, and on the right, the Properties panel where you can customize every element of your app with just a few clicks. Now, drag and drop components like buttons, lists, forms, images, and videos onto your screens. Adalo makes it easy to design beautiful interfaces, and everything updates in real time so you can see your app come to life instantly. After that, set up your database inside Adalo. Create collections for users, products, or any data you need, then link them to your screens to make your app fully dynamic and interactive without touching a single line of code. Once your design and data are ready, use Adalo's actions to add logic. You can set up navigation, form submissions, payments, notifications, and even integrations with external tools like Zapier or Stripe. And that's it. You now know how to use Adalo to design, build, and launch your app with ease.